Well, been very busy with work, and I was trying to get my taxes done, and I said I can't do any metal detecting until my taxes are done. Well, just finished them tonight, so I decided to go for a little hunt. And I guess first decent target I pulled a couple rusty nails, but this is the first decent target. Kind of looks like the other half of that 1600s buckle I pulled out of here. Yeah, looks very much like it. About the same size, but the other one had more of a roundness to it. The edges are rounded. So I don't know. I'll have to match it up when I get back to the house and see if this is the other half of it. But that's pretty cool. Really wasn't that deep in the ground either. Maybe, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches. Alrighty. I like it. See what else is out here. Hopefully I'll come home with some silver. Alright, on to the next. Well, this is the best sound I've heard in quite a while. Yeah, we'll see. So far, everything I found so far is to say it's junk. So the buckle's the only thing I found so far good. Alright, get back to you. I'm gonna probably jinx this one up, but I was having 2832 hitting on this. Some high signals, but I also had some iron in there. But pinpointer sounds good. So we shall see. I'll probably scratch it because I'm at least one-handed. And that sounded so good to me anymore. I've been pulling out huge pieces of iron, so I wouldn't be surprised. It's just another big chunk of iron. Yeah, I probably should have found it first. Is my shovel too close? Yep, my shovel too close. Yeah, this is probably a mistake. Is that it? No, it looks like iron. What is this? Another piece of iron. Oh my god. Really? Another coin. Is it round at least? If you're actually round. That's the target. Oh, that's interesting. Is it a coin? Just got heavy. Well, wait a minute. It's getting thinner and thinner. Oh crap, it's a coin. It is a coin. I think. Or a button. Oh, that's interesting. It's a coin. Oh my god, it's a coin. I can't believe it. And I was sitting there going, man, why am I live digging this? What is that? Oh, that is so cool. Oh, I said it. The numbers seem to be good. Anybody getting down the string without falling in there? Alright, I'll get back to you. I really don't think that's a normal eagle that I'm used to seeing. Is it really just, I don't know, is that a barber? All I know is I wasn't expecting to pull a silver coin out. Wait a minute, I see. It's a barber. Oh my god, I got a barber quarter out of here. Wow, awesome. I was hoping it's actually something older, because this is where I've been pulling out the hammered coins. But a barber quarter. Oh, I was freaking out. I thought it was a hydraulic, whatever eagle thing. I thought it might have had Drake Busters. Oh, a quarter or something. But I'll take that. Alright. My first day back, metal detecting, and I get a barber quarter. How awesome. Alrighty. That might be the last coin for today. But that is fantastic. Awesome. Alright, I just want to show you guys quickly. That's where I just pulled a barber quarter out. Let's just double check, make sure there's nothing else down there. Nothing else down there. That's pinpointer deep. In mud. Really muddy dirt. We're along that stream. I'm killing it. I love this area. So 1600s buckle today and a silver quarter. Awesome. Hope it's 1800s. Alright. Keep looking. It's not dark yet. Okay. It's getting dark. I had this crazy signal. It wasn't even that great of a signal. And I've been digging and digging and digging. And about pinpointer deep again, I pulled something out. Looked like a piece of a buckle. And I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. And then I started grabbing down. There's more metal down there. And I don't know why my phone's not focusing. And anyways, I pulled this out. Tell me that doesn't have some age to it. I'm wondering if that's like a pin to unhook a wagon from the horses. That is going to be so awesome. That's got to clean up beautiful. It's like brass or something. That is cool. Tell me that doesn't have age to it, huh? Awesome. I don't know which is better, this or the quarter. This is freaking awesome. I'm just still hunting along the roadside and by a stream. Alright. It's awful muddy though. Okay, it's getting dark. And I don't know if my glasses are just not allowing me to see the screen very well, or my screen's not doing so hot. Alright. Probably going to be working my way back to the house now. Catch you later. Okay, this is going to be an absolute horrible film because I'm using my old phone that has the damaged lens. I accidentally forgot to bring my my new camera and my new phone with the camera, and I just pulled this out of the ground. Oh, let's see, this is where I got the barber quarter the other day, and there's a pinpointer. Hole is 8 inches deep. Actually, yeah, nothing else, just that. I suppose it could be a walker. I'm hoping not. No, that doesn't look like a walker. What is this? Wouldn't that be cool if it's a barber $50? I cannot believe I pulled a $50 out here. This may be my final hunt out here. Unfortunately, I was told that this place property I'm hunting have been sold. Oh my god, I don't know what this is. I don't think this is a walker. I don't know what the hell this is. All I know is the last coin I pulled out of here looked like this, and it turned out to be silver. This is awesome. That's a $50. But what it is, I do not know. Alright, I'll wash it off and I'll get back to you. Well, I'm hunting out by this stream, and I got a 12-13 on the Knox 600. And yep, that's a nickel. Is it going to be a Buffy? Well, definitely, it's an old coin. Yeah, it's a Buffy. Okay, yep, there's the engine right there. Awesome. Sweet. First find? Yeah, first, basically. Oh, well, I found a shotgun shell before this, but this was the first signal that I thought was going to be good. It is. I got a buffalo nickel out of here. Sweet. I haven't pulled one out of this spot yet. Alright, see what else is out here. Here's Mr. Buffalo. Awesome. Was there anything down in the hole with it? Yeah, it's only registering one coin. Awesome. I was expecting it to be another shotgun shell or something, because yeah, I wasn't expecting to actually get something good with that. Should have known better, but it would have been hard to dig live diggers on the side of the stream anyway. So, all right, on to the next.